Hello everybody, myself Prof.S.V.Arlikar. Today we are going to discuss on what is diffraction grating. You can see here it is appearing like glass plate, but it is actually diffraction grating, which is arrangement of N slits. On this glass plate, the lines are ruled, which are parallel and equidistant, and very large number of lines in about 1 inch space. The ruling is done with the help of diamond point tool, and for this given grating there are 15,000 lines per inch. You can refer this part, it is clearly mentioned here as 15,000 LPI. I say it is 15,000 lines per inch. The process of manufacturing of diffraction grating is like this. Plain glass plate is selected. On which, with the help of diamond point tool, the ruling is done. How lines are ruled? They are parallel, number one, and they are equidistant. So when n number of lines are ruled which are parallel and equidistant, then the line rule acts as obstacle of width b. So this is straightforward obstacle of width b, and between two lines the portion left is the slit of width a. So now we can say diffraction grating is basically arrangement of n slits, each of width a, each of width a, separated by opaque space of width b between them. So diffraction grating, in another words, is arrangement of n slits where each slit is of width a and they are separated by obstacles of width b between them. So such regular arrangement of n slits is called as diffraction grating. This is done with the help of diamond point tool using CNC machine. Lines ruled are parallel and equidistant, and the line rule is acting as obstacle of width b, and portion left between two consecutive lines acts as slit of width a. In the space of about 1 inch, very large number of lines are ruled. Usually they are of the order of 10,000 lines per inch. They can be 15,000 lines per inch, and the number can still be high. It goes like 23,000 lines per inch. So such large number of lines are ruled on diffraction grating. For diffraction grating, there is another important quantity called as grating element. It is denoted by D, which is A plus B. It is given by A plus B. So it is by definition distance between centers of two adjacent slits is called as diffraction grating. This diffraction grating is used to obtain the diffraction pattern of the given beam of light that can be studied, and using diffraction pattern we can determine the wavelength of light used. So what is the application of diffraction grating? To determine the wavelength of light used. Of course, it is one of the application to determine the wavelength of light used. There are many more applications of this diffraction grating which we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.